This program has, transformed in such a unbelievable way over the last 15 years since I graduated. So as a prospective student looking at the program, I would say this is a place that could truly do what it did for me, which is to springboard you to a four-year institution that perhaps is out of reach out of high school.
It's beautiful and it's the future. Great resources that Montgomery College students will now have access to, thanks to the donations from the Macklin Foundation and other donors.
I think the big part of this is the raw data, but also how they're displaying the data. The students are clearly working together, they clearly like each other, they're clearly very proud of their work, and they've got a great future ahead of them.
I think that Gordon would have loved three things about this. The first is that it has to do with technology. The second is experiential learning. And lastly, just the capital markets. He loved the capital markets. And not only can you learn about capital markets here, but you can also learn about other kinds of businesses as well.
In a traditional format, the students learn material and then they take an exam, but here they can go a step further. They can take what they learn on an exam or in class, and then they can actually employ it in a simulation or also for how to run a business.
I think the simulation is so powerful because it's real world. It brings students into a situation in which they are mimicking real life decisions that they would have to make as a business person. But so proud to be a part of the Macklin program and an alum.